channel. My name is Tracy. I'm a realtor here in San Antonio, Texas with Keller Heritage. And today I want to take you on another house tour. This time we're going to take a look at Meritage Homes. This is a brand new community located in the Alamo Ranch area, which is on the west side of San Antonio, Texas. And this model home that we're looking at today is called the Holly. And they have several inventory homes available right now that are just like this one if you're interested. And it's a single story, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage, and almost 2,300 square feet. It looks beautiful at first glance, so let's go take a look. I can't say it. It looks beautiful at first glance, so let's go take a look around and see what it offers. That is going to conclude today's tour. What did you guys think of this house? Did you like the layout of it? What did you think of the laundry room being right off the primary ensuite bathroom area? Did you like that? Did you not like it? I think the house has a really nice flow, easy layout, and all the rooms make sense. You've got lots of space for everybody. It's nice to have the separate bathrooms throughout the entire home. Gives you a lot of flexibility and options for not just your immediate family, but for out-of-town guests or family that has to come and live with you or stay with you for any amount of time. This home just gives you a lot of flexibility. You've got plenty of room to make an office space back there if you want to as well. And yeah, this house just has really good bones to it. It's got a nice flow and layout. 2,200 square feet is not like a huge house, but that's a pretty good size for a lot of people. And it's, of course, easier to maintain the smaller it is. So if you guys are interested in this home, please reach out to me. My information is in the description below. And let me know what you thought of this house. And we will see you in the next tour. Thank you for coming along.